It's Heather and Sarah here from Oak and Orange, and we are standing outside our latest new build, Dreamhome 8.
18 months in planning, 10 months in construction, and we are so excited to finally take you on a tour.
I'm going to take you through and I'll meet you inside shortly. To take this home from a standard project build, we've added a few key features to give it that real farmhouse feel. Since we're on a corner block here, we've added glazing bars to the front and side windows. They're such an affordable way to improve the street appeal. We've used vertical cladding on the facade, which is a first for us, and then we've used the cross details here and on the garage doors. We love a feature front door, and this one from Hume Doors was perfect because the squares in the front door match the squares in the front windows. Now let's head on inside. First up is the home office hidden behind this beautiful barn door, and you'll notice that we've carried the cross details from the front facade inside. A hot tip for you, if you've got a long desk like this one, put your cabinetry in the middle. If we were to have cabinetry at either end, we would have had to have had an ugly support beam in the middle. So doing it this way means that the drawers act as a support for the desktop. This is the media room, and as you can see, we've painted the whole room dark, including the ceiling, and we've even chosen dark carpet just to create a real moody feel in the room. But as you'll soon see, all the colours and materials are cohesive and still suit the rest of the home. Here's another hot tip for you. If you have internal access from your garage, it's a good idea to put your mudroom and laundry close to the garage to make unloading quick and easy. Over here we've got understairs storage, and what we did here was carry the vertical cladding from the front facade inside, and we turned what would have been a standard boring door into a really cool feature. Now we've put the mudroom behind these doors, and up the top we've got open shelving, hooks for bags, somewhere to sit to take your shoes off, and plenty of basket storage underneath for the shoes. Now over here we've included a huge walk-in linen cupboard, and you don't want to forget this, include a power point so you can charge your vacuum cleaner. Now we love to include our mudroom right near our laundry. We think that's just so practical. In here we've included some tall storage for our mop and our broom, and here's a game changer for a double-storey home.
Incoming!
The laundry chute. We have included loads of bench space and overhead cabinetry, and a must-have for the homeowner was the doggy door. So we really wanted to keep that farmhouse feel, and we found this aluminium one from Hume Doors, and we chose Monument so it matches the external roof and windows. Welcome to the kitchen. You'll notice we've used this cross detailing on the end of the island bench, just like we used on the front facade. Now our favourite flow for the kitchen island bench, pull out bin for scraping dishes, sink second for rinsing, and dishwasher third. And when it's time to unstack the dishwasher, we're still nice and close to the cupboards and drawers. The hero in this kitchen is this huge window with glazing bars. It was one of the first decisions we made, and when it came time to choose the colour for our island bench, we chose Monument so it would match. Through here we've got the butler's pantry with a small sink and a huge walk-in pantry with loads of open shelves, and right behind me is our second entrance into the laundry. The ceiling height throughout the home is 2.6 metres, but in the dining and living areas, we've increased it to 3.6 to give it a really grand feeling in here. You'll notice we haven't included any glazing bars on this window, and that's because we wanted uninterrupted views to the pool outside. We have used this living, dining, kitchen layout in so many of our homes. We absolutely love it. If you're considering using it in your own home, what you need to do is measure and mark out all your furniture on your floor plan so that you get your proportions right. Some key measurements you need to consider is the thoroughfares around the room, the thoroughfare between the back of the sofa and the dining table, and the dining table and the kitchen bench. That's it from me. I'm going to hand over to Sarah now, and she's going to take you through the rest of the home.
I'm back and I'm going to head on outside. As the alfresco is square, we've gone with a round dining table to make really good use of the space. For continuity, we've used the chunky bollards in the alfresco to match with our facade. Now we really like to keep our pool nice and close to the home so we can keep an eye on the kids from inside, plus we get to look out at that beautiful view. You cannot build a new home without a fence, and what a wow statement this modular fencing is making in this relatively small space. Now we've continued with these large picture windows right through the room, down the hallway, and into the guest bedroom. Not only to let in loads of natural light, but to take in this spectacular view of the pool. Now I'll take you through to the guest bathroom. Now the guest bathroom is the smallest in the whole home, so we really needed to make sure it didn't end up feeling dark and gloomy as there's no window and no skylight. So what we did is used white tiles on all the walls, a really light tile on the floor, and we even went with a soft muted tone in the vanity. We've also included a shower, so this room services as an ensuite to the guest bedroom, and it's a place to come and have a shower after you've had a swim in the pool. One of our biggest design challenges with the staircase was getting the look and design that we wanted while staying in budget. As the staircase is positioned right near the kitchen, dining, living area, we knew it needed to be a wow feature. In the end, we went with Vic Ash for the timber treads, which we colour matched to the vinyl flooring, and we have our monument handrail. Now this is the upstairs living room. Now we like to have our landing come straight into an open space rather than a hallway, because when you have a beautiful, soft, cozy lounge to greet you upon your entry, it's so much more warm and inviting than a hallway. And for practical reasons, it's so much easier to maneuver all your furniture upstairs when you have an open area. Here in the master bedroom, we've continued with the glazing bar styled windows as they are seen from both street frontages. And the bonus in the design feature is that they look really good from within inside the home and outside the home. Over to the walk-in robe. In the walk-in robe, we have his and her side, so no sharing required, but her side is definitely bigger. Over to the ensuite. We have our beautiful statement tiled feature wall with our freestanding bath positioned central to the room. Now the secret to a well-balanced monochrome space is knowing when you have reached enough black, and to help balance it out by adding in another material. Just as we have done here, we've incorporated chrome tapware and our chrome wall lights, and you can always add some warmth with your styling. Now with 3 girls living in the house, we needed to make sure we had plenty of bench space. So we chose just 1 basin in here, and if you follow me through here, I'll show you the other reason why. Right here is the powder room with a basin inside, so there was no need for a second one in our main bathroom. The bedrooms are about 4.5 by 3.5 plus the built-in robes, which means we can comfortably fit a queen bedroom in and still have plenty of room to walk around. Let me show you our wardrobe doors. We upgraded from the standard mirrored door to our sliding smart robe system from Hume Doors, which means we've got this beautiful profile finish which matches our profile on all our internal doors. Now you can't beat carpet in a bedroom. It is just so comfy and cozy underfoot, and we're really loving the wheat toned carpet here from Anderson's Flooring.